This robot dog is the future of security. What you need to know. The rise of robotic dogs, particularly those with advanced AI and mobility capabilities, is reshaping the landscape of security. Companies like Boston Dynamics have pioneered the development of these machines, showcasing their potential in various industries, including security. Imagine a world where your security guard never sleeps, never gets bored, or is always ready to protect. A world where your furry friend is a high-tech marvel, capable of more than just fetching your slippers. That world is here, and it's brought to you by Robot Dogs. Want to know more? Before that, let me welcome you to another episode of Tech Too Fast, where imagination meets acceleration in the tech lane. Now, let's get into it. The rise of the robotic canine. Remember those clunky robots from old sci-fi movies? Well, those days are over. Today's robot dogs are sleek, powerful, and surprisingly adorable. They're equipped with advanced sensors, AI, and even facial recognition. So the next time you see a robot dog patrolling your neighborhood, don't be alarmed. It's just doing its job. The pros and cons of robo-guards. The real animal service dogs we have also get tired like us humans, and it needs to rest. So these robot dogs are in good advantage, like enhanced surveillance. There will be 24/7 tireless operation eliminating human fatigue. It has advanced sensors and cameras for real-time monitoring, plus the ability to access dangerous or restricted areas. Next, deterrence and response. Robot Dog's visible presence can deter potential threats. It has rapid response to alarms or incidents, and it has non-lethal options for crowd control or hazardous situations. Another one is data collection and analysis. These robots can gather valuable data on environmental conditions and security risks. It can also analyze patterns to identify potential threats and vulnerabilities. And cost-effective solution. Long-term cost savings compared to human security personnel. There will be a reduced reliance on human labor in dangerous or remote locations. It also have potential applications for industrial security, like patrolling large facilities and warehouses, monitoring critical infrastructure, and detecting unauthorized access or suspicious activity. For public safety, it can also be of help in assisting law enforcement in search of rescue operations, monitoring public events and crowds, and responding to emergencies and disasters. And lastly, for home security, it can provide remote monitoring and security alerts, detect intruders and triggering alarms, and offer companionship and assistance to elderly or disabled individuals. Before we continue on the ethical considerations and challenges for robot dogs, let me ask you something. Are you excited to know about other technological stuff from our channel? Of course you are! Now, like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell icon to get notified on the next videos. Don't forget to share. Remember, sharing is caring. Robot dogs are incredibly efficient. They can work 24/7, they're immune to boredom, and they don't need coffee breaks. But on the other hand, we have to consider the ethical implications. What happens if the robot dog goes rogue? Or, more seriously, what if it's used to surveil us without our consent? Here are some ethical considerations and challenges. First, privacy concerns. Balancing surveillance needs with individual privacy rights. Also, we need to ensure the ethical use of AI and data collection. Next, public perception. Addressing potential fears and misconceptions about robotic technology. And we also need to foster public trust and understanding. Lastly, regulatory framework. This is why we need to develop clear guidelines and regulations for the deployment of robot dogs to ensure accountability and liability. The future of man's best friend. Despite the potential risks, the future of robot dogs looks bright. They could revolutionize industries like security, healthcare, and even entertainment. Imagine a world where robot dogs assist the elderly, deliver packages, or even become our loyal companions. It's a future that's both exciting and a little bit scary. So, are robot dogs the future of security? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, they're here to stay and they're changing the world, one paw step at a time. That's it for today's episode of Tech Too Fast. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you on the next tech fun and informative video.